Creating the Future, Arduino and Robotics Training for Innovators was an innovative and engaging educational program designed to inspire the next generation of innovators. The program was specifically tailored for children between the ages of 6 and 12 and aimed to teach them the basics of coding, robotics, and electronics using Arduino boards and other tools. For Year 2 of the program, project development concepts, 3D designing, 3D printing were added, making it twice the knowledge and double the fun. Because from 50 target beneficiaries, it is now more than 100 since it was open for public admission already. The program was perfect for children interested in STEM, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, and wanting to explore the world of robotics and electronics. Because of their participation, children have developed important skills such as problem solving, critical thinking, and collaboration. The program was held every Saturday and Sunday, with each session lasting for 8 hours. JCI Surigao Nickel provided all the necessary equipment and materials, and the program took place in a safe and secure environment outside of their classrooms. More than 100 pupils enrolled in this program,